Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, calculating the power of a number, raising a base to an exponent, can be done in several ways. The most common methods include using the math.pow method, using loops, or using recursion. Below, I'll provide a detailed tutorial on each method, along with code examples. Method 1, using math.pow. The simplest way to calculate the power of a number in Java is by using the built-in math.pow method. This method takes two parameters, the base and the exponent, and it returns the result as a double. Syntax. Example. Output. Method 2, using a loop. You can also calculate the power of a number using a loop. This method is useful when you want to avoid using built-in functions. Example. Output. Method 3, using recursion. Recursion is another way to calculate the power of a number. This method is more elegant but may be less efficient for very large exponents due to function call overhead. Example. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored three methods for calculating the power of a number in Java, using the math.pow method, using loops, and using recursion. Each method has its own advantages and use cases. Math.pow, quick and easy for floating point calculations. Loop, straightforward and efficient for integer powers. Recursion, elegant and easier to understand, but may be less efficient for large exponents. You can choose the method that best fits your needs based on the requirements of your application.